Random is live for the 4-box break. It's 1, 10, 17 PM Melbourne time. Dice roll for participants for going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yoink. Save. That one, put it there. Close that one, go to team draw. Team draw it on 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yoink. Stop there. Random is complete. The list is this: Jeff Wisdom, Flippers, Jared Broadbent, Heat, Van Houten, Thunder, Glenbow, Magic, Adam, Amy, Blazers, Glenbow, Pacers, Lanyon, Kings, Hurley, Hornets, Cameron McDonald, Jazz, Tucci, Bulls, Broadbent, Lakers, Palmasano, Mavericks, Austin Kelsey, Wolves, Climbers, Rockets, John Spence, Wizards, Climbers, Knicks, Cameron McDonald, Bucks, Skybell, Pistons, John Spence, Warriors, Raymond Dyer, Sixers, Lanyon with the Celtics and Pelicans, Sasha Hill with Suns, James Cannon with Nuggets, Nick Powell with Cavs, Cannon with Spurs, Adam Amy Nets, Raymond Dyer Hawks, Van Sanderson Raptors, and Grizzlies for Nathan a lot. That's the list. Cut it.